In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start just by opening a new project and dragging some video footage to the timeline. Once you have your video footage on the timeline, select the razor tool in this navigation, or you can just press the letter C on your keyboard. And then what we're going to do is just cut this clip in half. Now what you need to do is use the selection tool and just drag this second video onto the track on top. Now we're just going to drag the second clip so its beginning overlaps with the top clip's ending. Once you've done this, click on Window in the top navigation and make sure you have Effects selected. Then from the Effects search box, just type in Cross and hit Enter. Then we need to scroll down until you see the cross dissolve, and we're just going to drag this video effect onto the top clip's ending. Now what you need to do is adjust the length of this transition so that it begins at the same time the second track begins. So now as you can see, we've created this transition at the cut. Now all we're simply going to do is select both of the video clips in the timeline, and you need to hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and drag these clips to make a copy, and we're going to place these at the ending of the other clips. So you can effectively keep selecting your clips and holding down the Alt key to copy these as many times as you like, and by using this method and creating the transitions, it's going to create a smooth loop. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.